Research on liver organoid, present situation, limiting factors and future therapeutical potential in pediatric diseases. By Stefan Bittman, Gloria Villallo, Elena Moscheringaliva, Lara Bittman, and Elizabeth Luchter. Scientists often use organoids to research diseases. Organoids are three-dimensional, organ-like cell assemblies in which different cell types have organized themselves in a way that is approximately typical for the corresponding organ in the body. They show three characteristics: self-organization, multicellularity, and functionality. This study concentrates on liver organoid research and its future role in different pediatric diseases. The range of organs that can be studied with organoids is growing rapidly and includes the brain, intestine, kidney, stomach, pancreas, lung, liver, prostate, esophagus, gallbladder, and the female reproductive tract, among others, and also the embryo. Organoids enable the scientific study of human development, physiology, and pathology on a scale. Organoids are grown either from pluripotent stem cells or from tissue-specific adult stem cells. Adult stem cells are present in a large number of tissues and are responsible for renewing the cells in these tissues. They can only give rise to the cell types that are present in the particular tissue. The stem cell of the intestinal epithelium only produces cells of the intestinal epithelium, but not muscle cells or nerve cells. They are thus multipotent. Today, it is possible to reconstruct organ-like tissue organoids in the laboratory. Stem cells are thereby induced to differentiate by molecular signals and grown in culture systems that promote their three-dimensional self-organization. Rapidly developing organoid technology makes it possible to phenotypically copy cell structure. To some extent, this is also true for the functions of various human organs, for example, brain, thyroid, thymus, intestine, liver, pancreas, stomach, lung, kidney, and even early-stage embryos. As near-physiological 3D culture systems, organoids open up new possibilities to study the development of healthy and diseased organs and offer great potential for translational research. Further research in the field of pediatrics will show further development of in vivo use of organoids in the future, especially in liver diseases in childhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.